Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video on how I fixed or figured out a quick fix for this retainer clip issue for the front sprocket on my Ducati Monster 2011 796. I was experiencing some knocking when accelerating, like the bike would shake really bad, and upon further inspection and research, a lot of people were saying that it was due to this retainer clip here. That little thin slice of cheese piece of metal. You can see that the teeth are pretty worn down, and I don't think it's supposed to look like that. When I looked online, a brand new one kind of looks like that, and that's what mine look like. So I looked online and they're about $10 to $12, and then they didn't sell them here, so I had to have them shipped, so it's another $10. That seemed a little pricey for a little slice of cheese piece of metal. I also noticed that the chain had scooted towards the engine and was grinding against the frame here, so it's just shaving off all this metal here and on the chain itself, which could be potentially seriously dangerous. So I kept researching and trying to find things that could be temporary fixes or figure out how I can get this retainer clip for a decent price. And what I found was an E-clip at Lowe's, a 7/8 E-clip for $1.43. 7/8 E-clip for $1.43, and I threw that on there with the retainer clip and just took off these two bolts and then the retainer clip, and then slid on the E-clip, and then put the retainer clip back on, slid the bolts back on, and you can see that I painted right here. Whoops. You can see that I painted right there, and there's no discoloration or anything like that that shows that the chain has moved back that way and is grinding against there anymore. So this has worked as a pretty good, like, quick, cheap, I mean, not cheap, but affordable, quick, affordable fix, until I can get a new set of sprockets and a new chain for this bike. And hopefully that will help some other people out there that are researching this kind of stuff. Hope it helps.